Wow. Bro, this is the spot.
I know. I wouldn't drag you all the way out here for nothing.
Beautiful river section.
It's a beautiful section of river we have here.
Have some corn.
It's a beautiful section of river. Look at this shit. Look at the farming abilities.
Look at that.
Look at the farming.
Look at that. Look at that. There we go. Gonna get a 40 out of that spot.
I see Jeffrey way over there. The Tom Hannock's beautiful this morning.
Yes, lovely, beautiful river system.
This is a lovely canal system we have here. There's shrimp all up in these waters. I've seen barbel surfacing at about 30 meters. About 30 meters, mate. Clearly a barbel.
Probably like 2 feet. I like that. I like that one. That was nice. Good form on that one.
You like that?
It's good stuff. When you do that, you have to go, eh!
Yeah.
It worked, see? See?
The old pole, it's the spam rod. No way.
Nice.
I told you. What did I tell you? That spam rod with my old ass reel, bro. Can't let him get around that island, bro.
Yeah. That's what I was worried about, casting that way.
Yeah, well, gotta get the fish, man.
Is he going through something?
I don't know. Yeah. Yeah, he's up on the shore. Or he's coming back out. Oh, he wants to play. Daddy likes to play. Oh, get the net. It's the icebreaker.
From this section of river.
Yeah. Put the net over it. Put the net over it. It's madness, mate. This is not proper. Hang on here. Take. Yo, dog. He's getting away. Yo,
Flip him over. There we go.
Oh God. How do you feel, mate?
I feel pretty good netting your fish for you.
Yeah.
Nice dark one.
Got him in the net. All right.